My name is Liam Myers. This is Ned Joyner on the guitar. We're from the Catholic Worker. We're on 3rd Street and on 1st Street. And we're a community that takes inspiration from Dorothy Day, who said, our manifesto is the Sermon on the Mount. So we try to live each day, we try to live the works of mercy. We try to feed those who are hungry. We give clothes to those who don't have clothes. And we take, we try to take truly what Jesus said when he said, whatsoever you do to the least of these, you did on songs that we sing in the community, vary every day or anything, but there are a couple songs that we found representative of our spirituality and of our movement.
Called Liturgies from Below, and we took that prayer and we set it to music, so it's called Be Still. And so the two of us don't make up the entirety of the Catholic worker community, and in fact there's many Catholic workers hidden in the audience, and they don't know I'm going to do this, but I'd actually like to invite, if you're comfortable and able and willing and you're a part of the Catholic worker community, I'd like to invite you to come on up here for this next song. So we have a motto: if you're in the building, you're in the band. And so everyone has now joined our band for this next song, and we're going to share with you a Tizay chant, if some folks are familiar with the Tizay community, and they have beautiful chants, and they're of a very repetitious nature, and I just invite you, if you'd like to join us in the singing. As we're singing, you could listen to us, you could hear the words, and eventually you could join us. And so the words of the song we're going to sing are, "Sing praises, all you people, sing praises to our God." And so as we're singing,
you're most welcome to join in on this chant. And just in the spirit of today, we just kind of allow the words to wash over us, and we just enter in with our voices, not as singular voices, but just entering into the beautiful creation that we're sharing.
Sing praises, all you people. Sing praises to our God. Sing praises, all you people. Sing praises to our God. Sing praises, all you people. Sing praises to our God. Sing praises, all you people. Sing praises to our God. Sing praises, all you people. Sing praises to our God. Sing praises, all you people. Sing praises to our God. Sing praises, all you people. Sing praises to our God. Sing praises, all you people. Sing praises to our God. Sing praises, all you people. Sing praises to our God. Sing praises, all you people. Sing praises to our God. Sing praises, all you people. Sing praises to our God. Sing praises, all you people. Sing praises to our God. Sing praises, all you people. Sing praises to our God. Sing praises, all you people. Amen.
Building, inshallah. So we have a estimated budget $7 million in here. So now renovate and reconstruction entire building. I'm proud to myself in here, mostly thanks to the St. Mark Church in Bowery. Yeah, mostly Mrs. Anne Mary, and she's going to give the big.
This is how I fight my battles. This is how I fight my battles. You better sing out, they can't hear you. This is how I fight my battles. That's it. This is how I fight my battles. Join them out, toes. This is how I fight my battles. This is how I fight my battles. This is how I fight my battles. Can you try it with us? This is how I fight my battles. Hey! This is how I fight my battles. In community. This is how I fight my battles. Contrary to popular belief, diversity is a good thing. This is how I fight my battles. This is how I fight my battles. It may look like I'm surrounded. It may look like I'm surrounded, but I'm surrounded by you. It may look like I'm surrounded, but I'm surrounded by you. It may look like I'm surrounded, but I'm surrounded by you. It may look like I'm surrounded, but I'm surrounded by you. This is how I fight my battles. This is how I fight my battles. Everybody sitting next to you is your partner. This is how I fight my battles. Collectively, our voices. This is how I fight my battles. We fight it by being together. This is how I fight my battles. By raising our voice for the things that matter to us in this community. This is how I fight my battles. Nobody can take that away from us. This is how I fight my battles. Nobody can take that away from us. This is how I fight my battles. It may look like I'm surrounded, but I'm surrounded by you. It may look like I'm surrounded, but I'm surrounded by you. It may look like I'm surrounded, but I'm surrounded by you. It may look like I'm surrounded, but I'm surrounded by you. This is how I fight my battles. 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 Amen. And there's one other part. And I won't bow down. I won't bow down. And I won't bow down. And I won't bow down. I won't bow down. I won't bow down. You think you got it? Okay. You worry me sitting down though, I'm scared. Like this song has so much energy in it, just harness it. Just harness it. Yeah. All right, choir, let's see if you know the melody to the verse. Just in the news everywhere I look, hey, you come to terrify me, basing your crimes on the words of the good book. You try to terrify me. It's like this land is yours and it belongs to no other. You come to terrify me, and you got no allegiance and you rob your own mother. You come to and south. I said, you come to terrify me, and we'll go higher, 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 and I've told she were here, you know, she's got a slick tongue, she's really hard. But I'm gonna ask you to stand and change the energy of the room. Would you stand? Yeah. You can't go higher sitting down. I don't know if anybody told you that. Third verse says, corporations making a mess of elected officials. You come to terrify me. They confuse and abuse all the important issues. You come to terrify me. Good people got a right to say no. You come to terrify me. Good people got a right to say so. Stop trying to terrify me. Well, I go higher, 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 and I won't bow down. Here we go, and I won't bow down, and I won't bow down. I won't bow down. Good, I don't want to scare you, I'm going to end with this. I need some people that can come up here in front who aren't afraid to move. Some people, I just need some people. I need like a mosh pit. I need some people. Give me a mosh pit. Yeah! 2 people, really? That's all I got? I got a whole, oh! Come on! Yes! Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Yes. So that way you don't have to be uncomfortable in your seat. You can just watch and you can absorb it. All right, so I want you to feel it. I want you to be it. I want you to be on the cutting edge of what freedom looks like. I want you to be on the cutting edge of what it means to not only grab your own freedom, but grab it for the people who can't grab it because we're moving them out and they don't have a voice right now. I need you to create that energy right here so that it moves back into the street where it belongs. Well, I go higher, 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 and I won't bow down. Just in the news everywhere I look, hey, you come to terrify me. Basing your crimes on the words of the good book. You come to terrify me.
great leaders